Hello, according to the test that you just took, it classifies you as INTP. You're introverted, you're intuitive, you are thinking, and you are a perceiving personality type. And your type is actually about 3 to 4% of the general population. Your dominant function is introverted thinking, and that can be associated with independence and intensity of thought. Although you may not discover your intellectual side as early as other types of introverts do, once your auxiliary intuitive function is fully awakened, you begin to take intellectual matters very seriously. You work to design unifying themes and metaphysical truths that explain the underlying nature of things. Especially early in your intellectual journey, you feel you must develop a sufficient understanding of the whole before you can competently assess any of the constituent parts. Toward this end, you may devote stacks of books on subjects like philosophy, religion, psychology, and evolutionary theory. When vacationing from your personal project and investigations, your type can be quirky, witty, and engaging. You can have a certain charm and approachability and congeniality about you. When discussing any topic that interests you, you can become stimulating, conversationist, as your ever-active minds can easily connect one topic to another, paving way for a multifaceted and broad-ranging dialogue. If disinterested, however, such as when you are forced to endure protracted small talk, you will quickly zone out or find a way of redirecting the conversation. Despite appearing outwardly genuine and personable, you are more interested in discussing ideas than the commonplace details of people's lives. You enjoy discovering what makes people tick, their motivations, interests, patterns, and propensities. This allows you to further hone and refine your theories of human nature. This is who you are. It's been pretty exciting talking to you about your personality type. And next week, we're going to go into relationships and how you relate with people around you. But before we go, I need you to do an exercise. It is very important for you to pick 10 adjectives out of all the adjectives in what is describing you, both what I told you and what you will find on the side, which is your detailed report for this week. And once you pick pen and paper, write down those 10 adjectives that strike you the most and call friends and family, people who know you very well, who are positive, to actually give you feedback whether these things reflect you. Ask them, why do they like relating with you? Ask them, why do they enjoy your company, or why don't they enjoy your company? Ask them precisely, how can you be a better person based on these adjectives? Once they give you that feedback, make sure you write it down, keep it in a manual, and make sure you have it to be used for you in the future. I will be discussing extensively, like I said, relationships next week, and you don't want to miss it. See you next week. Go and succeed.